Hi friends, welcome back. Let's make a simple lunch with fried chicken noodles. Hope you love this recipe. Here I'm deep frying 10 to 12 pieces of marinated chicken. You can see the ingredients in the description box below. To cook or boil the noodles, I have taken 1.8 liters of water, and once it boils, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. Then goes in 2 blocks of noodles. These are wheat noodles without egg. Let it cook for 5 to 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, let me show how well they are cooked. Now drain them and run them quickly under the cold water to stop the cooking process. Then spread on a plate and add 2 teaspoons of oil. Toss them well so that each strand of noodle is coated with the oil. This will prevent them from sticking to each other. In a vessel, heat 2 spoons of oil, 1 tablespoon butter, and allow it to melt. Now add 1 green chilli, 2 finely chopped onions. Minced garlic can also be added here. Let the onions turn soft. Now add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Cook till the raw smell reduces. Then goes in 1 roughly chopped capsicum. Stir fry for few seconds or till its raw smell reduces. Now I am adding 1 Maggi soup cube, 1/4 teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons sweet and spicy tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, half teaspoon vinegar. Mix well and cook for 30 seconds. Add the fried chicken and mix well. Once the chicken and the sauces are mixed well, add the noodles. Mix well till they are coated with the sauce mixture. Remember to keep the flame on low. Once the noodles turn hot, garnish with spring onions and serve hot. I hope you loved this recipe. Do try this simple recipe and share your feedback in the comment section below this video. Also, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon on another video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.